gone by so quickly. The past 18 years are a blur. And now my daughter is leaving for college. I used to love taking fun photos of me and my daughter. We took so many pictures together, but then I became a little more self-conscious. I saw changes in my face. And then I saw a doctor who specializes in aesthetic treatments. And she told me that the sagging was due to volume loss, and it was something that, you know, it happens naturally with age. You can't cover volume loss in your cheeks with makeup. And I am not ready for surgery. JUVÉDERM Voluma XC was used to treat the volume loss in my cheek area. And then since I had the deep parenthesis lines and other wrinkles around my mouth, my doctor treated me with JUVÉDERM XC. Wow, I am so happy I did this. Wow, I didn't realize that your lips can thin over time too. I feel like the effects are subtle, but the differences are dramatic to me. I'll always put my daughter first, but now that she's on her own, well, now it can be about me. I am definitely not going to shy away from photos anymore. Why didn't I do this before?
JUVÉDERM XC, JUVÉDERM Ultra XC, and JUVÉDERM Voluma XC important safety information. Approved uses. JUVÉDERM XC injectable gel is for injection into the facial tissue for the correction of moderate to severe facial wrinkles and folds, such as nasolabial folds. JUVÉDERM Ultra XC is for injection into the lips and perioral area for lip augmentation in adults over 21. JUVÉDERM Voluma XC injectable gel is for deep injection in the cheek area to correct age-related volume loss in adults over 21. Important safety information. Are there any reasons why I should not receive any JUVÉDERM injectable gel formulation? Do not use these products if you have a history of multiple severe allergies or severe allergic reactions, anaphylaxis, or if you are allergic to lidocaine or the gram-positive bacterial proteins used in these products. What precautions should my doctor advise me about? Tell your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. The safety of these products for use during pregnancy or while breastfeeding has not been studied. The safety of JUVÉDERM XC and JUVÉDERM Ultra XC injectable gels in patients under 18 years and the safety of JUVÉDERM Voluma XC in patients under 35 years or over 65 years has not been studied. The safety and effectiveness of JUVÉDERM XC for areas other than facial wrinkles and folds and JUVÉDERM Ultra XC for areas other than the lips and perioral area for lip augmentation or facial wrinkles and folds have not been established in clinical studies. The safety and effectiveness of JUVÉDERM Voluma XC in areas other than the cheek area have not been established in clinical studies. Tell your doctor if you have a history of excessive scarring, hypertrophic scarring and keloid formations, or pigmentation disorders, as use of these products may result in additional scars or changes in pigmentation. Tell your doctor if you are planning other laser treatments or a chemical peel, as there is a possible risk of inflammation at the treatment site if these procedures are performed after treatment. Patients who experience skin injury near the site of injection with these products may be at a higher risk for side effects. Tell your doctor if you are on immunosuppressive therapy used to decrease the body's immune response, as use of these products may result in an increased risk of infection. Tell your doctor if you are using medications that can prolong bleeding, such as aspirin, ibuprofen, or other blood thinners, as this may result in increased bruising or bleeding at the injection site. Minimize strenuous exercise, exposure to extensive sun or heat, and alcoholic beverages within the first 24 hours following treatment. What are possible side effects? The most common side effects include tenderness, swelling, firmness, lumps, bumps, bruising, pain, redness, discoloration, and itching. With Juvederm XC and Juvederm Ultra XC injectable gels, most side effects are mild or moderate and last 14 days or less. For Juvederm Voluma XC, side effects are moderate, uncomfortable, and last 2 to 4 weeks. One of the risks with using this product is unintentional injection into a blood vessel, and while rare, the complications can be serious and may be permanent. These complications, which have been reported for facial injections, can include vision abnormalities, blindness, stroke, temporary scabs, or permanent scarring. As with all skin injection procedures, there is a risk of infection. To report a side effect with Juvederm XC, Juvederm Ultra XC, or Juvederm Voluma XC, please call Allergan Product Surveillance at 1-800-624-4261. For more information, please see Juvederm.com or call Allergan Medical Information at 1-800-433-8871. Available by prescription only.